Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you a trick where you can protect your motorcycle from theft. So in the market, you have many disc brake locks as well as handbrake locks. But nowadays, people can surpass these technologies. So I'll show you my hack. So basically, this is your inlet of air. It's under your seat, basically. So you can remove your seat. This is your inlet where your engine sucks in air, and I'll show you the motorcycle is running perfect. Yeah, as you saw, the motorcycle is running. It can and there is no issue in it. What you can do, the hack is simple. You take a cloth and you just close the mouth of your motorcycle. Okay, initially the motorcycle will consume the air that is inside the carburetor. See, it stops. Now the motorcycle is not starting because of this cloth. This cloth doesn't allow air to pass inside the engine. Now again, if I remove the cloth, yeah, you can see the motorcycle is running perfectly fine. Nowadays, what happened? You have a petrol lock, but in the BS6 variant, you don't get a petrol lock because the fuel injector just removes this lock. So what company can do is, this is your carburetor. I hope you can see it. What company can do is they can put a carburetor lock so that the air does not come inside. If the engine does not get any air, it will not run. The motorcycle will stand still. So I have seen many videos on YouTube where people take a motorcycle by starting it. Some people take it in a tempo or truck. Some people take it along with them, they are walking with it. But most of the videos you see on YouTube are related to it that they are starting the motorcycle and taking. So here you can just stop it by closing the mouth of your engine, and your motorcycle will not start again. Yeah, see, it is. You try as much as you can, but it will not start because the engine is not getting any air. And yeah, so this can protect your motorcycle from theft. You just put the seat on it and your motorcycle is safe. So yeah, this is my simple trick what we can do. uh, Most of the motorcycle have an inlet port under the seat. The air inlet is under the seat, so you can protect your motorcycle from there too. Okay, so I hope this can help many people to protect their motorcycle.